Hey everyone, I'm Curtis Chism, real estate agent here in San Diego. And right now on everyone's mind is how long can this real estate market continue to rise? We're on a 10-year run of pretty consistently appreciating home prices. In fact, in the last year, home prices in San Diego have actually gone up by over 20%. So what's going to happen? Is it going to crash? Is it going to stabilize? Is it going to keep going up? Let's take a look at the information and the data to get an idea of what's going to happen. First, the number one thing that's driving the home prices right now is a nationwide shortage of homes. We're short of homes by about 5.5 million homes. And a lot of that is here in California and especially in San Diego. So that's a huge driver of the current housing market and appreciating prices. So that's a big one. A second thing to look at, which isn't necessarily a driver, but a sign of what the institutions and the markets think of real estate. So big institutional buyers, Wall Street, they're getting into buying real estate, and not just multifamily like they've been doing forever, but single family homes. BlackRock just bought a huge investment in Texas, $300 million, single family home development. Why are they doing that? Well, normally they buy bonds, but they're not buying bonds right now. That's why the government is having to buy bonds at such a rapid pace to help keep interest rates low, because the institutional buyers are not buying bonds, but they're buying real estate. So what does that say about real estate? It says that they view real estate as a safe investment because traditionally bonds are a safe investment. But if they're buying real estate instead of bonds, that's a safe investment with significantly higher returns. So a really big indicator, follow the money, who's buying real estate right now. The big institutions are buying real estate. So that's also going to help drive prices because of more money coming into the market to buy real estate. So that's an indicator of demand. Demand is extremely high, both among consumers, individuals, but also among real estate. So demand's at all-time high and it's staying high. It has softened recently in the last couple of months. Since April, it's kind of tapered down a little bit. And a big reason for that is because the prices are getting high, but also because buyers have been beaten out on multiple offers so many times that some of it's just straight up buyer fatigue. They're burned out, they're taking a breather, they'll come back in the fall. So that's definitely a big driver, but still demand's really high. Of course, supply, very low supply right now, as I mentioned, just a housing shortage, 5.5 million low, but also just housing inventory, what's available for sale right now. Pre-COVID, we were about 5,400 homes. That was a tight supply. That was about 2 months of inventory. So if no home went on the market in 2 months, everything would be sold out. That's how we look at available supply and how fast things are moving. Normal market is 6 months of inventory, over 8,000 homes. Right now, we're at 3,500 homes. We were at 27 homes for a while. Now we're slowly been ticking up to 3,500 homes, still extremely low. Less than a month of inventory available right now. So that's a big driver right now. Supply is keeping home prices up. Other things are looking at the money. What kind of money is out there? So cash, there's lots of cash going after real estate right now. The stock market is up 500% over the last 10 years. There's a lot of cash to go around. So a lot of buyers are coming to cash to buy homes. There's flexible loan programs, not irresponsible loan programs like what was happening in 2008 leading up to that. But lending terms are definitely a lot tighter, but there are some more flexible loan programs out there right now to help home buyers get into homes, which drives more demand and pushing prices up. And then mortgage rates, that's the big one right now. I mean, we're at under 3%. It's been staying right around 3%. Mortgage rates were supposed to go up. They keep going down. And that's because the government's buying so many bonds right now to keep interest rates low, keep the economy steamrolling ahead. So those are all factors that are keeping the real estate market up, and they're not going away. If they start to adjust and some of those things start going down, if somehow we can start building a lot more homes and getting available inventory way up, then yeah, that's going to start dampening down significantly. But frankly, with all the regulations we have, it's just not that likely to occur anytime soon. And then looking more specifically here at San Diego, compared to other parts of California or the country, it's such a fantastic place to live, and it is more affordable than, say, Los Angeles or San Francisco. And people are starting to figure that out, and they're starting to flock here from those areas. So it's kind of, America's finest city. It's being discovered, and it's really pushing prices up. So, if you're thinking about buying and you're waiting for the market to crash, I wouldn't advise waiting for that. Do you want to be buying in a rapidly down market, which does not seem to be around the corner by any means? Everyone's saying at least another 3 to 5 years of appreciation, and then maybe a flatlining, but we'll see. No one can look 3 to 5 years out realistically. So really, if you are waiting, perhaps you're waiting for less competition on a home. So instead of 15 or 20 offers and cash offers, maybe you're looking for less competition. So now you're just competing against a few offers. You can have more favorable terms for yourself at the table instead of giving away everything with the no appraisal contingencies, loan contingencies. Maybe you can keep some of those in and protect yourself a little bit more. That's still difficult to do right now, but it could be around the corner as things maybe tamping down a little bit. But maybe that's what you're looking for. If you are looking to sell, it's still a great time to sell. It is flattening out a little bit, as I've been saying. I think there's some buyer fatigue going on, a little more inventory coming on the market. So it's worth putting your home on the market now while there's still less competition overall than perhaps down the road. But if you are looking at selling and not sure if you should sell your home first or buy a home first, I have programs that can help you buy a home and then turn around and sell your home. So reach out to me and we can talk about that. So I hope you found this video helpful. Again, my name is Curtis Chism, real estate agent here in San Diego. I'm happy to help you in any way possible to achieve your real estate goals. Just email me, text me, or give me a call.